Alright guys, again King Sambonge, and welcome to part 2 of our Animal Kingdom simulation. Well, part 2 because we reached about an hour on part 1, so I figured to separate the video into part 2. That way we can separate our demonstration with our building process. So if you want the building process of our animal kingdom and as well our future projects, you can always go to part 1 as a reference. And if you want to come to our demonstration, and which is going to be this video, we're going to come you can just come here to part 2. So let's get to it. And as you can see, part 2, we're going to be working on providing a video demonstration, which is what we're doing now, right? Of our program in action, and where we're going to be showing the program's functionality, and we're going to present test cases and demonstrate that we are passing those cases. The GitHub repository submission as well, and all. He asked for credit. I'll come to that later, maybe on a future project. And so we did everything, as you guys can see here. Let me run that real quick for you guys. Let me clear it. I'm sorry, that was Siri. All right.
Okay.
All right, so we have a Doge, a Garfield, Twitter, Goldie here watching TV and everything. So that's what we have. And so, all right, so we have that done. Let me see the optional tasks here. Add additional subclasses with more complex behaviors, such as a fish class that overrides move to swim instead of walking. We have that done. And then we implement interfaces for behaviors like flyable for birds or any flying animal. This is a part where I was saying that, I wasn't really comfortable of having bird class, which is just a category for many other birds to fly. So here, what we can do is let's create a interface and name it flyable, just like here, right? So right over here, like flyable, and here the class type is an interface, and just like that. Let me put it over here. Let me put this right. Yeah. Okay. And let me go ahead and delete this whole thing here. Don't really need it. And delete this. And that's it. That's our interface. We're done. Probably interface flyable, void fly, and right for birds or any flying animal. And when we come to birds, let's create a new class, and we can either have like a parrot, like I've mentioned before, like an owl, a bat. Speaking of, like, let me actually create a class for a bat, and I'm gonna have to place it right over here. Put this a little bit here, and let me go for bird. Let me just quickly copy these to save me some time. Hold on. Save me some time. I'm gonna come to bat, right? All right. Okay, so let's rename this to bat. Bat over here, which is our constructor, and everything looks good, right? Bat, however, does not tweet. I think. Let me go for screech or scream, whatever it does. Let me, screeching. Where's it? Screeching, I guess. Or screeches. I don't know. I'm just trying to be creative here. And then so this this subclass of animal, right? Class bat extends animal is going to implement this interface here because this is a flying bird, right? So we want to implement. Wait, bat is a bird, right? It's a mammal. I think bat is a mammal. It's a flying mammal. Oh my goodness. Okay, you know what? Let's. It's a flying mammal. It is what it is. Let's just, leave it as. Right. I mean, it does not even extend a bird. It extends an animal, so that's fine. Okay. All right. So, clause bat extends animal implements here flyable. I'm gonna have this part here flyable, and don't worry about this. I think it's because okay. So we public void hunt. We can let me see what we have in animal that we're supposed to override. What are we supposed to override here? Oh, make sound. I think we already have make sound here. Yeah, we over. What else? I think everything else it does, right? A bat can walk. You know what? Let me override move as well for. Let me override this. Public. Move, right? And print line. Let's go for is hanging. I don't know. It's idle right now, so it's saying hanging. We can remove this specific behavior for now. I'll come to it later. I'm not sure what to do right now. Let me see if we're missing anything here. Oh, okay. So as you guys can see, the illustration, all right, that is that is implementing the interface flyable. Then we can override its function, the method. I mean, the fly method. Public void fly. Maybe make sure it's good. Yep, it's good. So public void fly. We're gonna do system dot print line, and we are going to say name, right? Is flying, right? It's flying using, I don't know, echolocation. That's what that's what bats and owls. I know owls also use echo, whatever sonic thing, whatever it is that they do to fly. But bats are semi blind, I think. Semi blind. It's flying using echolocation. All right. So we compile that, and let's go to our animal. Hold on, let's go to our main, right? Actually, the animal kingdom. We gotta now add our bat here in our builder here. We're gonna build a new bat, and what are we gonna name it? Something cool actually. Not even. I'm gonna make another pun intended here. Bat. How old is Bruce? I think Bruce is like Bruce Wayne should be like mm, 30, 33, I think, like 33. I don't know, right? And we're gonna add. Hold on here. We're gonna add animal, and we're gonna add our bat instance over here, and make sound. And then we will do an else if here as well. Oh, bad. What do we have the bat specifically do? Hold on, let me just. I think we have the bat fly, right? I guess. Yeah, because it's overriding. Um, let's see, just fly. I don't know. Let's just write fly here real quick here. When I see something. And let's run that. Let's run that. And let's run that. Alright, so Bruce, age 33, is eating, is sleeping, is hanging, right? Screeches, and Bruce is flying using echolocation, right? Hanging. Uh-huh. Right. What is hanging again? Let me see here. Move. Oh, okay, it's move. Alright, so we got that done, right? Code seems to be working good. What else do we have to do? Let me compile this. So code seems to be working good. And what else do we have here? Here's your dog, so you guys can see it properly. Okay. All right. So demonstration part. We're gonna create test cases, right? Test cases. Okay, let's so you need to present. You know what? Let's first actually see how this works. So we want to see how our code is working here. And what we have. So for dog, let's start with dog. Doge is age 3, is eating, is sleeping, is walking, barks, is fetching the bowl. And let me clear that for future. Okay. Alright, so Doge. Okay, dog, barks, fetching bowl, integer, and the animal kingdom builder. Like, Okay, so cool thing about J, you right click here and you just go to create test class, and right then it's gonna create a test class for you. And pull these over here, just like that. And let's not even spend any more time. Go ahead and probably set our public dog test. Let me move all this stuff here. It's junk. And let me see, what am I gonna use here? You know, let's do something like this. And let's do our usual Dagler, regular Dagler. Man, all right. Let's actually start asserting here. Let me go with another assert equal here. All right. So what do we want to assert? We want to assert that the Doge is dog name, right? And you want to assert that 3 year is dog age. And what else we want here? Let me compile that real quick here. All right, let me leave that real quick and let me do another test here. And we want to do this one as, let me see, what should we do? Because it says here, how many should we do? Like 3? Yeah, 3. Okay, yeah, 3. Is it like 3 for 3 or 3 for 2? We have expected at least 3 test cases. Normal case, and also 2, 3. Okay, so 3. Okay. Public void, and we can just like let's go with the edge cases here. Yeah, negative. Right. Let's go with negative. Negative. And actually, because let me see something here. Animal Kingdom. Let me compile this real quick here. I know that on our animal, yeah, we have this thrown, this illegal argument exception thrown. So let me just go ahead and this is what we already expected to come. And then on our dog test, we're gonna have a try. Let's do a try, right? Let's do a try. Oh, let's retry. Right, like so. We're gonna do a try because like we do it like this. So since this one's a new one here, you know what? Dog equals new dog. Is that dog? Oh, okay. And the name of our dog is Doge. It's 3. Actually, since it's negative, we're gonna do -3. We're gonna catch, right? Like we're gonna catch this illegal argument. And you know, we're gonna say this illegal argument as E, and you know, this is just so we save it in the variable E. Just keep it short. And right, and then let me do this. Then we're gonna search that sorry, my eye actually has been bugging the whole day. So we're gonna search that Doge. Actually, can we just do dog name? Let me see if I can just do dog name. Assert the dog dot name like this, right? Probably just gonna waste time, but I can do this dog dot name and then right age. Should I do also dog dot name plus dog age, right? Let me see. I'm just gonna try it. We'll see. Dog age plus, because we change. Let me see here. Name cannot be null or empty. So Doge hold on, let me see the phosphorus. That was for name. Oh, age. Yeah, age cannot be. Let me first do it like this. Test with negative. And so negative is gonna be age. Alright, so that's bad. So age cannot be. So cannot be negative, right? Cannot be negative, right? I think it's like this. Let me see. Cannot be negative. Alright, so let's see. Figure. Doge. This is much better. Yeah. Yeah, let's just save time into this. What is this? What's the area? So it catches the E here. Okay. And then, so we got that done. So we did the age. So let's do the name. One for the name. Public void. Test. With negative, test negative. Actually, let's do this. Let's keep it short here. Test negative, and then here we're gonna do a test like null, right? Like a null, and yeah, like a null or empty. Null, empty. Yeah, null, empty. And we're gonna do the same old thing. We're gonna throw a try. Dog. Dog equals yo dog. Right? Where's the okay, here we go. So we're gonna like 3, and then we're gonna have a null, maybe. Gonna catch. And we're gonna say, say those cannot Doge name, right? Name, or actually, let me say it like this. if, because, okay, so let me just say name, right? Name, age, no, name cannot be negative. And here I think we can, let's do this. Dog name, yeah. Alright, so cannot be null or empty. And we're going to compare that to our illegal argument exception. Hold on. Called E. Come on. Why can't we? Undeclared variable dog. What if I... doesn't really matter right now. I don't think it really matters, it's fine. Let's just, like I said, save time because we have to do... let me see how does it, let me see the animal. Name cannot. Alright. Name cannot be empty. Alright, so we compile that and let's run this test, right? I mean, it's a quick thing here. Let's test the negative. Let's test the null empty first here. Want to see something? Okay, so it failed. I really wanted to. So expected name cannot be null or empty, but was java.lang illegal argument exception. What? Illegal argument exception. Okay, let's try the other one as well. Let's try dog test behavior. Okay, so that passed. So the dog test behavior passed. Let's try R negative. What is that? Oh, is that a bug? I think we just hit a bug right now. Sorry. Okay. Doge cannot be negative, but Doge cannot be negative. Java delaying illegal argument exception. You know, what we can do. Alright, so let me just grab this over here. Exception. Actually, let me copy the whole thing. Let me see if I'm. So wait, let me see if I get this right. Name cannot be null or empty. So like, this is the test negative. Where is the negative test? I know it should be like, think command Y. No, command Y to indent. It should be something like. Oh, that's on VS. as on Visual Studio. It's fine. Compile this and let's run that again. Null, test null, negative. Sorry, let's run that again. Let's try negative. What? What in the, hold on. So what we expected was a java.lang string. But was, hold on. So, wait. Let me sure if I'm on the right one. Null, right? Name is right, null. Because I know that null are empty. Let me see this. You know what? I think. Let me see here. I think I could probably understand what's going on. This is because your name cannot be null or empty. Yeah, they're supposed to catch this. The illegal argument exception. Hold on, let me test all. But was Java Lang? Not gonna lie, this is gonna take so much time from us right now. Let me see our dog. No, dog is fine here. So we try. Let me see. But we try and see. But like, I feel like I'm missing something. I know this is a simple fix. I'm gonna try to get a message here. And see. And try and get. Let me see this. I have to sometimes control what I'm gonna say because I don't want to say the name. If I mention the name, she's gonna ask me. Okay, let's see null again. Negative. Okay, so that succeeded. Null succeeded. So test all. There we go. Perfect. So our test cases for the dog succeeded, so we definitely know it's gonna succeed for everything else.